What's up, guys, and welcome back to today's video. And today we're gonna be doing a little bit of everything, I believe. And the first thing we're gonna do in the video is we're gonna do a little bit of bush hogging, and I'll show you that. Go over to it in a minute, and I'll tell you what we're doing with. Go ahead and remember to like, subscribe, share the video, and we'll go ahead and get into it. Also, just for your information, we're not exactly mowing this. We're just, well, I'll give you a look. You can see like that brown dead stuff and like the little burrs and stuff over there. We're trying to cut all that down, and we're gonna get it clean. And we're gonna just clean it off and get it level, and then we're gonna have it so we can come back through and we're gonna fertilize it. Probably, I believe, next video maybe. And when hay cutting season comes around, this will be our hay. And we'll have to keep, but see, with birds, we'll have to keep them down. So yeah. So far, it's been going pretty good. Just put a jug of fuel in it, and it's done good. I don't know how good y'all guys can see it, but my view is pretty good, but the camera, I hope it'll show up better on your phones or tablets or TVs or whatever you're watching on. well, this will be what we'll mow next. Is this field? We'll have it. Sorry if the wind noise is bothering you. There might be just a little bit of wind out. Then we'll mow that field out there. We've took a pass around it to see. It's got a wet spot down in the corner. But that field, this field, and the field Gavin's mowing right now, and one up there, it's all going to be in hay for this year. So we should have some pretty good hay videos this year. We'll do we'll have all the fertilizer and videos and all that. But so far, it's going pretty good today. I'll show you one of the field I mowed, what the finished project will turn out to be when he gets done. This is the field I mowed. I'll turn it off. Turn this off. There you go. This is one of the fields that I clipped with a bush hog. Let's see. And again, I know normally with bush hogging you'd want it pretty low to the ground, but being we're just clipping it, get the dead stuff down. This turned out pretty good. This grass, I mean, it's a little tall now. I cut a couple inches off. Excuse me. Because it was a little dead in spots. But I mean, for reference, it turned out pretty good. Yeah. I wish I'd had a picture of this field before. It was grown up and there was burrs all around it. There's a big old dead spot over there, but the bush hog turned out made it look pretty good. Everything's going good so far, so I mean nothing's, well, in our definition of good is nothing's broke. We didn't run out of fuel in the middle of the field. Everything's going good. So I believe we're done pretty good. I'll show you the dead spot. But I had to go over it twice because it was thick stuff, and it didn't want to cut too good. But I'll go over there and look at that. Okay, here's this big old dead spot, and I don't know how good y'all can see it, but see, just for reference, see, that's what we were. That is what we were cutting, and it was hard to cut. And I was only going. We were only going maybe 2 or 3 miles an hour. Like, see, even after the second cut, still had stuff like this left over. But we'll probably have to go over it again before hay season to get down more stuff, more burrs and dead plants. But yeah. Do a little drive around in the field and show you how it all turned out. And also take into account with that bush hog, it's a pull type, but it's not single post, it's the double post. And with the tractor, when you turn, you don't have very good turn radius. So some of it I had to cut and go back and get it later. So I believe in this field it took me about 1 hour and 30 minutes to 2 hours. I don't know how many acres it is, but I ain't really sure. Maybe 3 acre or 2. I ain't really positive. But whatever. Do a little bit of a drive. this is one of the corners I was talking about, because that's an 8-foot wide bush hog. And when you're cutting corners, see, like the first turn, or well, about the first 3, it was easy. When I get to about right there, right in there, I had to cut it and come back, and I almost go in the woods just to get that spot. I think and some of it still had to end up, some of it I ended up still missing on accident, but you never know. Keep driving along a little more. Trying to stay on the edge of the fields where it's a little smoother. Well, we had to stop bush hogging for today. We didn't get it all done, but we'll probably do have. I don't know. We'll probably not. I don't think we'll have a part 2 for that. But I don't really know what next we're gonna do. We're just gonna see what comes up. But just hang with us. We're gonna do a little bit of corn. I don't know how much I'll film, but we'll do a little bit. We'll have the truck. We'll be in that truck. I don't know how long the video will take, but it'll hopefully go by pretty quick. Do a little bit of, she's about to start up. We'll see how it sounds. Well, we thought we only had like 50 to 100 bags. We got more than that. It's about half a load. For references, this is, I believe, 5 ton. You can hold 5 tons in there, I believe. So, I don't know how good y'all got to see it. Hopefully everything goes smooth.
See how bad this one goes. It needs a little bit more. It's just a tad hit right there. So that's right. So we're right at the top of the deer's head. Okay. That's about where you need it.
You're right there. This is our fun process of corn.
Hey, Carl.
Yeah. You need me to help open the hatch. If you hold the bag or something. Turn this. Say another bag. See here. That's pretty good. finished with corn. We got 121 bags. And I believe we started at 4:30. Well, a little after about 4:30. And we just finished. I don't know what time it is, but it's, well, I don't know how good y'all guys can see it, but it's dark. I don't know how good the light is, but it's past sunset. So it took us pretty good. It did take us a pretty good while, but we got it done. This will be the end of this video. It was, I don't know how long. It's probably a pretty long video, but remember, if you like, subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you on the next one.